We are tracking developing news tonight. A battle over how city council meetings are run in Edinburg will soon head to court.
Yeah, the issue is a move which could limit who speaks at meetings. Channel 5's Steve Solis joins us live in the studio with the details.
At the center of this controversy is this ordinance. We're told it is supposed to help keep order at city council meetings. However, one city council person tells us the ordinance would keep him and his colleagues quiet.
City council meetings are nothing new to Richard Molina. The councilman has been serving in Edinburg for 4 years.
It's been a roller coaster ride, and you learn a lot, and you're able to help your constituents and really be a part of the process.
Molina ran for city council after serving the city of Edinburg as a police officer.
I still have my peace officer license, and I still see things pretty much, black and white. I don't have too much room for gray.
Molina says he wants to operate with integrity, but he says that's not the case for everyone on city council. Just last December, we told you how an apartment project was approved by the council, even though all of the information was not presented before the vote.
Yes, I was familiar with the project, but the way that the project was handled and the way that it went down, there was a big lack of transparency.
2 months later, the council is under fire after a series of recent public disagreements.
We've had some very controversial meetings in the sense that they've gotten hot and heated.
Tonight, Edinburgh City Council was supposed to vote on an ordinance that would help maintain order in their meetings. Mayor Richard Garcia placed the ordinance on the agenda.
As of late, we've been having some disruption in the meetings because instead of waiting to be recognized to speak, we've got on occasion council members just see who can yell the loudest, and it's not appropriate. I've had some complaints from the public.
Molina says there is another reason for this ordinance.
My opinion, because the way this really puts a lot of red tape, it leaves me basically powerless as a councilman to serve the constituents.
I'm an attorney, but I don't give legal opinions because we hire a lawyer. Some of these things you've talked about are from non-lawyers, and I guess people that maybe don't understand what they're reading, but there's nothing in there that says anything like that, nor any reason to say that there's that intent.
Mayor Garcia says his desire is to keep the meetings under control. Molina offers this advice to the people of Edinburg.
Come out into the council meetings and voice your opinion. After this, I don't know how much voice that you'll have, but still come out.
Molina says it's important now more than ever to know exactly what the government is doing.
This ordinance was not discussed at tonight's meeting. A temporary restraining order was filed just minutes before the meeting. A hearing will be held over the future of this ordinance in the next 10 days. Count on Channel 5 News to keep you up to date. And also, if you'd like to read this ordinance, we'll have it up for you later tonight at krgb.com. Live in studio, Steve Solis, Channel 5 News at 10.